Hello Virgo, Sun, Moon Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung nakaresonate po kayo. Thank you. So, tignan natin kung anong ganap Virgo environment. Alright? So, siguro, baka advocate kayo, ano, Virgo. Advocate kayo, environmental advocate, pwedeng ganon. So, ang galing kasi malaki siguro yung role, no, na ginagampanan ninyo sa pangangalaga, no, ng ating environment. No? Ang maaaring siguro kahit sa ano ninyo, sa lugar ninyo, 'di ba? Sa barangay ninyo, sa subdivision ninyo, kung saan ka man nakatira, no? Maaari, no, na talagang sinisikap mo din, no, na makatulong ka sa environment, no? Baka mayroon kang mga campaigns na ginagawa, may mga community activities na ginagawa to protect the environment, no? So, good for you. So, what else? We have butterfly. Napakaganda. Be ready to transform with wisdom. So, meron kayong mga meron siguro kayong mga balak baguhin, no, sa buhay ninyo. Maybe you're going to change, para feeling ko dito, yung naririnig ko kasi perspective. So, baka you're going to start to change the way you perceive people, things, situation. So, baka yung gagawin mong first step na baguhin sa buhay mo is siguro yung on a personal level. Maybe you're going to start changing your life. Maybe you're going to start changing your life on a personal level first, no? Pwedeng ganon. So, that's good. Kasi kung sa tingin ninyo, di ba, you still have room to reinvent yourself, to improve yourself, di ba? Why not? So, by the way, maraming salamat, no, for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe na kayo. And also, maraming salamat din for not skipping the ads. Malaking bagay po yan sa channel. Thank you. And also, please click the join button sa baba ng video kung gusto po ninyo na mag-join kayo sa membership. Salamat po. So, what else? We have the Ace of Wands. We have the Nine of Wands. Meron din tayong Nine of Swords. Meron kang ikinaka-worry dito, no? What else? We have the Two of Cups. Meron Sun, no? Which is good. Which is good, no? And Four of Swords. And lagi kayo may energy na katulad ng kay Four of Swords, ano? Kasi nga workaholic kayo, Virgo. So, unahin natin si Ace of Wands. So, this is a new beginning energy. Okay? So, si Ace of Wands, this is new beginning. Meron kayong sisimulang bagong ganap dito. It could be trabaho, pwedeng panibagong income stream ito, panibagong career path, pwedeng ganon, ano, na you are going to be very passionate about this. You're going to be very excited about this. Kasi baka, dream come true ito. Baka ito ay something na sisimulan ninyo wherein you are very excited about it. 'Di ba? Na baka ito yung pagkakataon ninyo, no, na sa tagal na siguro ninyong pinangarap ang opportunity na 'to, na magkaroon kayo ng ganitong opportunity. Ngayon lang talaga siya nangyari. Ngayon lang talaga siya dumating, 'no? Kaya you're going to be very passionate about this. Excited ka na gawin 'to, simulan, yung gano'n. So, good for you. We have Nine of Wands, 'no? Ayan, binakuran na ni Virgo. Nasa likod mo yung bahay mo, property mo, and yan, binakuran mo na, 'di ba? So, you are being protective of your possessions, 'di ba? Yung property mo, material possessions, mga ganyan. So, yan, pinoprotektahan mo siya, 'di ba? So, maaari, no, na meron kang possessions dito, po pwedeng material na bagay, po pwedeng property, po pwedeng investment, savings, mga ganyan. Kung ano man ang mahalaga sa'yo, maaaring yon kailangan mong protektahan, kailangan mong depensahan, di ba? Yung gano'n. So, go for it, ipaglaban mo yan. We have Nine of Swords. Ayan, and this is maybe yung worries mo related to that. Diba? Kung paano mo poprotektahan yung pag-aari mo, 'di ba? O yung kayamanan mo, 'di ba? Yung possessions mo. So, maaaring yun ang ikinaka-worry mo, 'di ba? So, but you know what? If you are going to be worried about this, ay nako, hindi rin yun makakabuti sa'yo. Kasi hindi ka na makakapag-isip ng maayos diyan. Kasi kung nagwo-worry ka, ini-stress mo na yung sarili mo. So, wag kang ma-stress, no? Ipagdasal mo yan. Alam mo kung bakit? Mas makapangyarihan ang dasal kaysa dyan sa worry mo, kaysa dyan sa stress mo. So, sa pagdadasal, meron kang makukuhang maganda dyan because the universe will help your situation to get better. Pero yung pagwo-worry at pag stress mo sa sarili mo, that is not going to help you, bagkus it's going to create more problems sa'yo. Kasi 'di ba, law of attraction, 'di ba? Whatever kind of energy you're putting out in the universe, that's what you're going to attract towards you. Kaya kung negative, 'di ba, yung stress, worry, those are negatives. So kung negatibo yung ipo-project mo, ay nako, 'di ba? Mas dadami pa yung mga negatibong pangyayari sa buhay mo. Kaya sana, no, try to transmute this negativity into something positive. At kung ano man ito, mga negativity na to, ipagdasal mo yan. Okay? Ialay mo yan sa divine. And let go and let God, kumaga, let go and let God help you better your situation. Ialay mo yan sa Kanya. Okay? Para tulungan Kanyang makaahon sa stressful situation na to. Okay? So we have two of cups, masaya ka, no? Sa in terms of your relationship, masaya, maaring meron ditong celebration, ano? Baka meron kayong anniversary, monthsary na sineselebrate ng inyong person, or po pwede rin na this is a new love connection, no? For some of you, baka kung single pa kayo, baka merong bagong love connection kayong papasukin sa ngayon. Baka this is new love connection that you are entering, or baka merong bagong tao, no, na makikilala ka sa ngayon na maaaring magiging jowa mo, no? So, good luck sa'yo. We have the sun. Ayan. So, the sun is going to shed its light on you in your life. Kaya, maaaring yan na yung bunga ng inyong pagdadasal, 'di ba? Um, kasi bubuti na ang inyong sitwasyon, magliliwanag ng lahat, may enlighten ka na, at yun, magiging positibo na ang mga pangyayari sa buhay mo. This is going to be ano na, mag improve na for the better ang iyong sitwasyon. Okay? Kasi magliliwanag na ang lahat. Matututunan mo na dito kung ano yung mga gagawin mo. Dapat mong gagawin to solve the problem kung meron kang problema. At saka swerte ito. No? This is also going to bring forth financial and material success sa iyo. At Four of Swords, pahinga ka. Okay, baka napapagod ka na din, baka nai-stress ka na nga. You are getting tired physically, mentally, and emotionally. So give yourself time to breathe. Okay, give yourself time na para makapagpahinga ka, makapag-relax ka, para na mas makapag-isip ka ng mabuti, para na ma-relax yung senses mo, and you'll be able to get back to focus. Okay, and concentration. So good luck sa'yo. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.